Hello, everyone. What if English stepped out of the book and into your voice? This is our classroom podcast, where ideas speak and confidence grows. Here, English isn't studied, it's spoken. Listen, words have voices. Whispers within words is where your thoughts bring stories alive. We don't just read, we make words speak.
There are moments in life that quietly change who we are, not through grand events, but through simple human connections. Welcome to Whispers Within Words, a space where literature meets life and stories become experiences. I am Soumya, and joining me today are Rhea, Sara, and Arushi. Today, we reflect on how I taught my grandmother to read by Sudha Murthy, a story that speaks of love, determination, and the quiet power of learning.
A young girl and a grandmother, bound not just by family but by a shared routine. Every week, a story would arrive, and the granddaughter would read it aloud, bringing characters to life.
For the grandmother, these stories were more than entertainment. They were a world she could enter only through her granddaughter's voice.
Until one day, that voice was not there.
The granddaughter leaves for a short visit, and the grandmother waits.
But this time there is no one to read the story.
Rhea, what does this moment reveal?
A quiet helplessness, not because she lacks interest, but because she lacks the ability to read.
Sara, what stays with you here?
The longing to be independent, to not depend on someone else for something so simple yet so important.
And in that moment, a decision is made.
I have lived a lifetime, yet I cannot read even a single word. I have listened, I have waited, but now I wish to learn. I will not remain dependent, not anymore.
And in that quiet resolve lies strength. When the granddaughter returns, the roles begin to change.
And the learner becomes the teacher and the grandmother becomes the student.
Days pass, letters become words, words become meanings.
And then comes a moment of fulfillment.
On the day of Saraswati Puja, the grandmother reads on her own. A simple act, yet a profound victory.
Not just learning to read, but learning to stand on one's own.
And in that moment, the grandmother bows, not out of weakness, but out of gratitude. At its heart, this story speaks of dignity.
It reminds us that learning has no age, that determination can overcome any limitation.
And that true empowerment comes from independence.
Sometimes the greatest lessons are not taught in classrooms, but in moments of courage and quiet determination.
Learn.
And rise.
Good
day from all of us, Soumya, Rhea, Sara, and Arushi. Thank you for listening to Whispers Within Words.